What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm doing a review of the brand new 2021 Nike Dunks in the black and white colorway. These are yet to release in the United States. I believe they released in Europe today, but the release for the United States got delayed once again. I did get my hands on a pair early to review for you guys, so if you enjoy, hit that subscribe button, like the video, show some love. I do have another pair of Dunks on the way for a review probably within the next couple days, so stay tuned to find out what we got up next.